How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. So if you want to report and delete someone's Facebook account, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now you can simply go for the search icon, which is on the upper right. Tap on the search and then simply search for any one of the accounts. So for example, I've chosen this account, and once you've chosen, now go for the right side, which has that three dots icon. And if you want to report a profile, then you can simply tap on report profile, which is on the first option. Tap on report profile, and here you will have the options why you would like to report the profile. You can simply choose any option that you would like, and once you've chosen, you can again take some other steps and you can choose another option. If you want to really report this profile, tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then your report will be submitted to Facebook. That's how you can report a profile. But if you want to delete someone's Facebook account, then what you need to do is you don't have that option for now, because you won't be able to delete someone's account. For now, you can only report someone's profile, but you can't delete someone's Facebook account completely. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks for watching.